My family has this clock that I've been fascinated with for years. There was always something off about it. All phones and watches would go out of whack around this clock, and for the longest time, I never understood why. The clock began calling to me, more and more, and now I think I know what I have to do. I need to show my friends my findings. They'd never believe me if I didn't. Dear friends, I invite you to my home to show you an amazing discovery I have found.
It's not magic. It's statistics.
We got there, we went inside, but we are so confused. We can't find Gabby. Gabby's nowhere. She's the one who invited us here. So like, not really sure what's going on there.
It felt really weird. I felt like my body was like
Lord. I kind of felt superior just because I knew I'd be the oldest one, but that's ageist and that doesn't mean anything, so.
When I got invited, I was like, popular. Not really, but popular.
You know, I don't even need to wear these if I'm being honest.
Wait, guys, where's Gabby? She's the one that invited us here. Where is she? Is she being Yeah, Gabby's the one that invited us here.
Guys, okay. So you are not gonna believe this. Come here.
Okay.
This is literally insane, and I
skipped a jazz concert for this. I'm not about
This is exactly that. I hate other people's houses.
You guys are gonna think I'm absolutely crazy,
That's
right?
because you are.
Okay, but no. So this clock, I'm pretty sure can take us through time. Like I'm convinced.
What kind of drugs are
Yeah, are the camera somewhere you're like pranking us or something? Like,
No. Like I'm dead serious, and I found this key. Right, never seen it before in my life. It just showed up out of nowhere, and I think that if I put it in, something's gonna happen. And I wanted you guys to be here for it. Finally, she comes out of nowhere, and pretty much says we're gonna time travel. So, are you ready? Let's do it.
We're here for a cue. Gypsy lip smack.
Oh, nothing.
And And at this point, I am like, you are on drugs. Let me tell you, she must be high on something.
I didn't believe it. I thought it was just gonna be a joke. Like, I thought it was just gonna be a fun little prank, and then it turned out to be a big, like, party.
Guys, what? What's happening?
It smells like
Am I high? We didn't know where we were, what was going on, what was happening. We didn't know who we would be with, or if what was going on. Really, it was really scary because it's like the kind of thing you only hear about in like books and TV and stuff. It's like you never would think that kind of thing would be real.
Guys, where are they? Oh my gosh. Did they actually get stuck in time?
No way. You gotta be kidding.
Well, where else would they have gone?
Well, I mean, that doesn't happen. You don't put a freaking key in there and it just does that. What?
Well, then where do you think they are?
I don't know.
Okay, well, it's my responsibility that they're gone, so I have to go and get them.
Well, I'm coming with.
No, we can't risk any more of you getting stuck there, wherever they are.
You're not going alone.
Well, I'm not going to be alone. You'll be good.
You can find them.
If I don't, then...
Alright, good.
Where did she go? What are we supposed to do now?
What happened?
I don't know.
What are we doing?
Wait a minute, what time is it?
We're literally just like appeared here. What is going on?
Oh Christ.
And where's Gabby? Where's Gabby and Anthony?
Your clock does not.
Oh yeah, we never see on
Time is not.
We're not in Kansas anymore. I was so confused. I was like, where are we? Like, I was shook.
Okay, transporting to another dimension. Kinda weird, but it's cool.
So is she right at work? Is it?
But where's Gabby?
Hey guys,
We're dead.
Are you guys okay?
No.
why did you appear here with us?
I don't know.
Look what you did. Time stopped.
Okay, well, whenever you guys...
Where's Ann and Anthony?
I don't know. Whenever you guys disappeared, like, the fog cleared and you guys were all gone, and Ann and Anthony and I were just standing there. So I came in after you, and I guess they're still back at my house, but I came to wherever we are, and this was just, like, in my hand.
So what does it say?
Multiverse.
Read it.
It says discuss, and then vote on 2 to go outside and retreat the keep. They may not return alive.
What?
This has to be
You got us into this. You got us into this.
You're out. You're going.
You're going. Wait, who's on my look, there's cards.
What?
There's cards over there. Wait, go see who's all on it.
Yeah, man, I'm safe with the piano.
I'm not going to
Stay here.
Have fun.
Wait, who all is on the cards?
Lauren, Trenton, Serena, Cole, Colin, Chance, Harrison, Allison, Jackie, Shannon, and Kalani.
That's
Wait, where's your name? Where's your name?
Why are you on?
Why want us to die?
It's not.
You know, she's the only one who doesn't have the card on, right? She doesn't have the card, besides the other people who aren't there. And she's the one who found the note cards, right? I'm just stating the facts, you know.
I don't
It's hard.
This has to be something okay.
You're the one who got us into this.
Okay, guys. Okay, listen. Okay, so I honestly think this is a prank. I'm not gonna lie. But let's do a little voting thing or whatever. Let's split off here. Okay, I don't know. Let's do some cool effects or something. Let's go. So are we supposed to discuss? They said discuss, right?
What are we talking about?
Okay, so we're talking about who we're gonna vote. Who we're gonna send to the death.
I vote Kalani.
Why me?
Yeah.
Give us the card.
Okay.
I need the cards.
Okay, so you figure out who we're gonna send in. Okay, well, I don't know what to do. Like, so should we like just?
I vote yes.
Okay.
What if we all put our cards in?
Yeah, no.
I am not putting my own card in. I'm not voting for myself to die.
Okay,
If you
Jackie.
won't, then I will.
Jackie and I are gonna talk.
No.
Wait, I care. I don't know for some reason. These are all my friends. I can't die. We were in the house and now we're going to die.
I was curious to know where we are, what we're doing, what's going to happen.
I just don't die. I was just there to sell trumpets, man.
Oh my god.
So we have to kick this off somehow. Okay, I think the rational idea idea. Anyone want to volunteer?
No. Gabby has.
Okay, so we just gotta get that out of the way.
There's no Gabby cards. I think she set this up.
Wait, let's go. Let's go.
Honestly, they're in. Who's in the group?
Okay, wait,
No, this is.
guys, let's
They're
see
gonna
what
think that we
he's
have
talking
alliance now. We need to go back there and tell them that we're like our ideas and stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe she said like toxic gas or something to set us unconscious and
monster.
distract
Where
us.
would she get gas?
I don't know. Maybe she's trying to kill us. She's trying to slowly kill us.
I've never sold gas.
The question is, do we want to keep?
We need to go back in there.
No, don't.
Yes, we do.
Hear them guys talking about their bad.
We need to go back.
Wait,
We look bad timing down. We look bad talking out there.
Oh, jeez. I didn't say that. No, fine.
It was.
Is there something we need to know here?
It was the other dude.
No, I did not. No,
We didn't sell.
I specialize in brass, thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
I specialize
Not
in
gas,
scared.
brass.
Brass.
Understand.
That's the point. We're going to die.
Yes.
Scary origin. There's no choice.
I think.
How about we send out the tallest people?
I think they should say Allison.
Poor
Who?
Chloe.
Allison.
Harrison, what do you have to think about this?
I'm on board.
Ooh, how about your shorts?
No.
As long as I get 3 gas, that's good.
No.
That's fair.
Yeah,
I'm
time
like
is
6'7" though, to be honest. I'm just like my high heels are on.
Survival of the fittest.
I'm not 12 inches tall.
Well, what if we?
Well,
Okay.
we don't have to choose between ourselves.
How
There
would
are
we
other
die?
people's.
How would
Yeah,
we die?
another-
Well, they're
another-
more outgoing. Why did they just do that?
There's no.
They could probably survive.
The card said something about a challenge, so we're probably gonna have to be like put against each
They
other.
could survive. Survive.
That's what he said. It was you.
We should put the
It's like,
strongest.
exactly. Whoever doesn't win,
If it's running,
they
I'm
die.
Okay, do we want to know the most like scary person, like as far as like competition goes, or do we want to vote out the least? I don't know what the goal of this is.
That's so
This is literally so dumb.
That's
We're not
so
even. This is a prank.
It's not real.
This is so dumb.
It's not real.
But no, we have to go for who are we gonna even?
Here, you know what? I'm just gonna like make it all funny and be like, oh, I'm gonna vote for you because but this is a prank. It's obvious that it's a prank.
Yeah. There's no way that they're actually gonna. This is real.
Let's not.
Why?
Because we need to hurry up.
Is that like?
They could probably survive.
Wow,
I don't
good
have
observation.
somebody's blood on my hands. Like, if they die just because I.
Well, it's either gonna be their blood or yours.
Yeah.
Also, those blood pressure.
Your blood or
Do you want to die?
No.
No.
Well, then
Shannon,
you're gonna have to
You're gonna have to
fight.
fight, dude.
Alright, have
Shannon.
fun.
It'll ready.
Are you up?
We need to hurry and go back in there.
Let's just go back in.
Let's just go back in. Come
I
on.
say,
They could survive.
well, wait, no, listen. Chances are coming up to me, and I'm gonna vote for you. I don't know why.
So you're gonna have us do your dirty work?
I'm not doing
No,
that for
okay.
him.
So
He's
what do
my
you guys
friend.
want? So what do you guys want to vote for then? Trent? I can't do that to him.
No.
Wait, so we are eventually.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Are you up?
I voted for Lauren, so.
Okay.
This
so,
is literally a prank.
so
This
stupid.
is
So
not.
stupid.
Like honestly, why are we even giving this disgusting?
Okay, we were just thinking who we were gonna vote for. Like, did you guys discuss? We assumed that you guys would be discussing.
No, I don't even know. I don't want to kill anyone. We were talking about figures.
Because they could survive. So we need the strongest skill. They could survive.
I vote Allison. And Kalani.
How am I the strongest? Well, I can't vote for Allison because she's my twin and she would hate me forever if I voted for her.
You're nimble.
You're nimble. Okay, so how does this voting process even
You're very agile.
How does this not these?
Okay, so I guess. Wait, how are we gonna? What do we do when it's time to vote or whatever? We like go up one by one or something?
It doesn't say. It just says vote.
Okay, so we'll go up one by one. I guess vote privately.
Use your manners, Kalani.
I guess that works.
Privately or not privately?
Privately, obviously, if you want to show people. Well,
That's true.
Well,
Okay,
if
well-
we're being
If we're all
honest,
gonna die, what
we
does
have
it
nothing
matter?
against each other at the
Honestly,
moment.
wait, are we all gonna die?
Yep.
If
If
we're all gonna
we're
die,
all
all
gonna die.
All of us. Okay, this is a prank, guys. It's not real, obviously.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I guess we
it's
should
bigger.
start. Who wants to go first? I don't know what to do.
I'm sure.
Oh, okay. One of you, Colin, you go. Go. Just go vote. Go vote.
Wait, I need
So
Yeah,
just go up
I
and you just like pick the card. I guess of the person you want to vote. This is so
Ridiculous.
What is even happening?
First of all, I don't know what to do. Second of all, I want.
I voted Kalani because I think he would have the highest chance of survival.
It's too methodical.
Someone's behind this.
Are people knowing who
I'm so scared. No, the voting's all private. Serena, I'm so scared. Do you know what to do? I don't know what to do.
First of all, I don't know what to do. Second of all, I want to go back so I can sell my trumpets.
I really just
Well, I miss a jazz band.
You miss a jazz band project? Just
I
I
could be making money right now.
Harrison's going.
I'll go next.
Just everyone make sure you're
Stocks
thinking
are gonna
carefully
go
about who you're
down.
voting. That's true. They said they may not, one of them may not come back alive. That means they might both come back.
That's a trick. Life and death. Someone's going is like a symbol for something.
Because if this is true, we're literally killing our friend. Like, I don't want to do this.
But they could survive. It's a challenge. They did say that they would die.
That's true. They said they may not, one of them may not come back alive. That means that they might both come back.
That's a trick.
Life and death.
Someone's going
is
to
like
die.
a symbol for something. Like, I don't think it actually means death. I don't want anyone. That's literally insane.
The smartest.
It has to
Okay,
be.
I'm gonna go up next. I'm gonna go up next.
I
You wanna go?
Sure. Alright.
I've done a lot of bad. I don't know about this one, Chief.
I don't want to do this. I'm so scared.
I'm really scared. She just said, "Can I pass?" I really don't. The rest one really.
You can't pass, you have to vote.
Can I pass? I really don't.
You can't pass, you have to vote.
Yeah, you know how these things go. If you don't vote.
Why?
Yeah, you know how these things go. If you don't vote, you die.
Here, I'm gonna go up next.
Telling you, October
Writing yourself off
1990s.
right then and
You
there.
know, I've seen a lot of TV shows about this stuff.
Keeping up with the Kardashians. The first.
The first battle royale.
I want them to vote for. I felt really bad. Some people were trying to get me to vote for Trenton, and then I told them, I was like, yeah, I'll vote for Trenton. But when I got to the point, I couldn't do it, and I had to vote for Harrison. I just couldn't do that to Trenton. I don't want to vote for anyone. That was terrible. I hated that. I hated every second of that. I didn't want to do that at all.
Don't lie.
You think I want to kill my friends?
Oh, I have butterflies.
I'm so scared. I don't like this.
Why are we doing this?
Why are we going along with it?
We shouldn't give in
Can
to
we
this.
just stay here?
Peer pressure.
Wait, what happened?
Let's all just flip it. We have to play the game. Who knows what will happen if we don't get their house?
Wait, why are you so
Yeah, we could be stuck.
eminent on making us do? Are you behind us all?
You honestly think I can come up with something like this?
I
Well,
I mean, you are the oldest of us here,
Gabby's
so
the only
Age
one
is
who
not-
doesn't
that's-
have a
you have like a
voice.
mature,
Yeah.
mature mind, you know, like you.
Yeah, because
elaborate.
maturity definitely.
Oh, there goes Becky.
That was so hard.
no.
That was so
I know it sucks. It sucks. I just feel like this is a prank.
Okay, she was just being really sketchy and like she was like everybody else was like everybody else is like all talking about like this has to be a joke. We like need to get out of here. And she was like saying, "Oh, no, we have to go with it." And I was like, "Okay, sweetie, try again. I'm not gonna sit here and freaking die. It's fine with me. You can do whatever you want to, but I'm getting out." Honestly, kind of second reason, her card was just cute. I wanted to pick her card.
You know what else was the prank?
What?
Promising Hawaii vlog 2 and 3.
I'm so scared.
I'm voting for Lauren because she doesn't seem like a team player. Well, she does, just like she kind of was a little over dramatic about it, and I was like, well, we don't really need someone that's over dramatic to be helping us go through whatever is happening to us.
Yeah, how do we like?
This is such a hard. I don't want to kill any of my friends.
Like I guess.
What is this?
I think that Gabby guessed us to make
Yeah, what is Gabby doing? What is she doing?
There's only
Wait, there's like a big prank. She's like gassing us.
to make us.
Yeah, what is Gabby doing? What is she doing?
There's only
What if it's like a big prank? She's like gassing us. She passed out, and now she's like
She's
couldn't
doing
like.
anything right now.
Someone else you have to
Well,
She was just shaking that was big word.
She doesn't
Okay,
have
but
a
she
clue
can
what
do
this
that.
She was the one. She was the one.
Okay, listen, guys,
Guys,
we're gonna get through this. We have to work together.
Okay, yeah,
There's
we
only
need to
one
be happy.
possibility.
Whatever happens, no hard feelings.
Everyone's.
Even though we're
Oh yeah, listen, Jess. No hard feelings.
telling you.
That's what it is. Yeah, let's not turn.
Let's not turn. Don't stop
I
turning
did not.
fingers.
I did not turn.
let's not put, we don't know anything yet. We're all as much in the dark as each other. Time will tell. I'm sure that's something we'll like reveal.
Everyone's innocent until I'm guilty.
What?
This is gonna be interesting.
I'm just stating the fact that I'm not pointing fingers.
Shannon.
What?
Like Gabby's the one who found the
Maybe
key.
you're just trying to
She's the one
hide
who found the
true
cards.
killer intent.
She's the one who's
Found the
helping people
notes.
pick cards, and she's the only one who doesn't have the cards.
That's
She
true.
was just as strong as
I love Gabby. I love Gabby, but like she's just really sketchy right now.
Yeah.
She can hear you.
She hears. I know. She knows that we're all sketched out. We told her tricks are
She was very full of energy. She had spunk, she had moxie, and she was a force. She's a force to be reckoned with. So I was like, I gotta cut her out now so I can get myself forward because I was worried about her.
I saw it. You know that. I'm awkward. I smile whenever.
So I voted for Allison because I didn't know who else to vote for, and there was like no alliances formed yet.
Don't get lost.
I'm voting for Lauren because she kind of scared me at first, talking about how to get rid of the weakest link. So I'm like, well, I kind of think that I'm pretty weak, so I want to get rid of any chance that I can to not get out.
We'll actually have a creature. Okay, but what is this challenge?
Has everyone voted? Okay, it's time, guys. I'm so scared.
Okay.
My stomach actually hurts. I'm really nervous.
I'm like genuinely nervous.
Okay, you guys ready? I'm so scared.
So what's she gonna do?
She's shuffling and then she's picking two, I guess. That's how it works. It's two of us to the challenge. What? You voted for Lauren. Guys, what did you guys vote for Lauren?
Being voted in was scary. I didn't expect to be the first one up. The first challenge, that was very nerve-wracking because I didn't know what was going to happen. It was anybody's game.
You're whispering, did you vote for me? I guess that means that what do we
I don't know. It said the card said that whoever got voted in went outside for the key.
I guess we are going to get the key then.
Play hide and seek.
Not exactly the strongest.
No, you guys have to stay, I think.
Going up against Kalani was it was daunting because, you know, he's got this presence about him. I feel like he knows more than what he's letting on. You gotta worry about him too.
Good luck.
I really hope that.
Guys, be careful.
I hope that we both can come back.
Don't break a leg.
Please don't die. Please do not die. Group hug. Please don't die.
Might be the last time we see you guys.
Group hug. Be careful.
Okay, don't kill the moon.
Also, I'm warming your seat.
So fix up the last one.
Yeah. You guys will come back. Both of you are gonna get
I know, so-
You might not have the same chair. This is a comfortable chair. Just let you know.
Goodbye, guys. I want to know who voted for me if we come back, though. Like, honestly.
No one's gonna let us know.
I'm not watching. Wait. We're just gonna let them go out there. The child here. I can't see.
This is terrifying. Put your puzzle together. Whoever finishes first wins the challenge. The winner must take the phone and key inside. Do not read the book until inside. Where's the key? Well, we'll get to that later, I guess. So we just have to put this puzzle together.
I guess so.
Okay. Well, you just want to go for it? Okay. Okay. I'm so scared. Oh no. I feel like I'm gonna like lose this challenge. I feel. Crap. No, I'm terrible at geometry.
Looks like they're What's on the table? What's on the table? It looks like they're put together a puzzle. Those puzzles? Yeah, they're putting puzzles together. I love puzzles. I'm not that smart.
I wish I got voted into this.
Oh, I'd be terrible at that. Same. I'm not that smart. I feel like I've seen those somewhere before too. Geometry's not my finest subject.
Come on. Why won't this go in? Oh my gosh. No, this isn't right. This isn't right. Wait. No, I'm not. Why can't I get this? I was so stressed out this whole time, and I kept I was trying to put everything together. I was like, what is going on? But then I would look over, and Lauren wasn't getting it either. So I was like, okay, maybe I can do this. Both of us have one brain cell, so maybe my one brain cell is just can maybe slightly edge out that her brain cell.
They should finish at the same time.
It's hard to tell if I'm making
Is it a race?
Yeah, what happens if they finish at the same time? They should both put it in at the same time just in case.
double execution.
Oh no.
Double execution.
We're seriously just sitting here watching. We should go out there and help them instead of.
No, we can't.
I don't want to botch this game.
Is Lauren almost done? Lauren needs one more piece.
What the heck?
Oh my god, are you serious right now?
I can't get this!
That looks complicated. Look, the cat's in the tube! It's in the tube! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so cool! That'd be a really good picture. I saw it climb out earlier.
I'm struggling so much.
And it's just there. That is such a cute cat.
How are you doing? Are you doing good?
No.
Oh, I want to go pet it! We should just go to the Let's ignore them dying. Let's ignore them dying. Pick up a cat.
Yeah. They're all just dying. We're just oh, why are the puzzles so long?
I'm panicking.
Days later. Did she get it? I think she got it. Lauren? No, she didn't. She has
No.
She's confused by one of them. Oh my. Oh yeah.
It's a hole.
So close.
You guys wanna go pet the cat?
I like these curtains.
I really want to go pet the kitty.
I'm starting to get it. Oh no, I see your. Okay, I think I'm starting to go.
I need
to feed my alcohol addiction.
But what if they don't die? I actually don't know.
Well, it says one of them may not come back alive. Oh, what if the cat dies? Ow, that's gonna die. It's not
actually Kalani's collection.
Oh my god. Can we just take the cat with us? What cute it looks.
Allison, I think that's illegal.
What?
You're leaning on the child.
Well, if there's no color on it, then it's technically not. Wow, you just stole someone's cat. My cats don't have collars on, but they. Yeah, nor do mine.
What the heck?
We're never gonna get this.
We're both gonna die. We're both gonna die.
That's it. We're just gonna be here.
We're never gonna escape this. I'm so flustered. I don't know what to do. I don't know how far ahead you are. I don't know. Oh no, I did it. Wait, did I do it? Did I do it? No, I didn't. Not quite. This is just not it. Oh my gosh. I'm starting over. I have to start over. There, maybe. I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I did it. I'm sorry. When I won, I felt the biggest relief. I was like, okay, I get to live. But at the same time, that meant that Lauren had to die. Wait, there might be hope. I'm sorry. Nothing's happening though. Are we okay? Wait, where's the key? It said that we would get a key. Where? The key! I got the key! And then there's a phone here.
Why would there be a phone?
I don't know, it told us to bring the phone. So we were waiting there, we were like, okay, is Lauren gonna die? And nothing was happening. I was like, okay, Lauren, let's not stick around to find out. Let's go. We need to go before you die. Wait, let's go. Before something comes and takes you, let's just go, let's go. Guys, we're going back. We're okay, we got the key.
That was one of the most terrifying moments of my life because I was in this strange new place with people I didn't know, and I thought I was about to dance with death. I was very scared.
I'm not really happy that she came back, but you know, it's still good that she didn't. I mean, she came back, but like, I'm glad she came back because, like, you know, I don't really want someone to be dead, but.
Okay, so what happened?
Okay, so we went out there, we did the challenge, I won, and we got this key, and told us to bring it up.
What's gonna happen to Lauren? I don't know.
She's okay though. I want to like turn this key before. I want to read this says turn the key before she gets killed. Like, we need to get out of here. And so I came back and I was like, okay, I won. All y'all better not vote for me next time. But I knew that probably was not gonna happen. I knew that like I had a bounty on my shoulder because now I want a challenge. They know I'm a threat. They're gonna be like, oh, let's kill him now. Okay, I found it. I found it. Okay. It says you have been locked in time, specifically in the 1900s. The clock that which you travel back in time with is from evil descent. However, it must be passed through to get back to the present. You will have to pass through each decade from the 1900s all the way back to the 2100s. But there's a price to pay. Each time you move closer to the future, one from your group will be forced to stay and be locked in time. What?
Wait, so we don't die, we're just locked in time
I
there?
don't know.
Either way, that's bad.
Each decade, your team will enter into a group challenge where the winner will be able to choose one fellow friend from the group to enter into a final death challenge.
Just as an arrow.
Where your group will then vote on one other person. The voted and the person chosen by the winner of the group challenge will fight in a duel of the decade where the loser will be slain. The winner, however, will receive the clock key and be able to open the clock and traverse farther in time with the group. To help you along the journey, Gabby will be reincarnated with each decade, guiding your group to the key. If you have not made it, if you have not made it back to the present by the time the clock strikes 12, your group will be sealed in the past, and you will be left to rot in endless suffering forever.
Whoa, I did not sign up for this.
Wait, Gabby,
I came to a party. Why'd you bring us here anyway?
So I came here for a party, and now I'm gonna die. Lovely.
I was feeling pretty confident. I mean, there's a lot of people that was cocky and stuff, and like, oh, I'm gonna win. I was like, come on, please. I know I'm going to win. I'm obviously going to win.
Yeah.
I wasn't me, it was Gabby.
Do you see how we're all dressed up as decades though?
This is all being planned.
Yeah.
So Gabby has more.
Dressed up as decades.
Well, whatever this is, let's just turn the key and get out of here. I want to get out of here before Lauren
Come on,
dies.
let's go. I need some food.
Fast lights.
Come on.
You guys ready?
Through the 1900s.
All the girls
Are you guys
free.
ready? Here we go. What was that? What was that?
I can't have somebody do that to my sister.
I have to go into the death scene.
Your votes are now revealed.
Screw you!
She's down. Oh my god, I'm just so glad she didn't kill herself. I knew she wouldn't kill herself. That was...
I thought she had figured it out and she was gonna confront me like, I know you're trying to get rid of me.